the phase I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret. Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the chill that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within a measure of a day. Siya ang tala ng kagandahan, aking munting kayamanan, laging laman ng puso at alaala. Siya ang buod ng panaginip, pag-aasang pag-iisip, kung nalalaman lang niya, mahal ko siya. She who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud, no one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past, that I remember till the day I die. Siya ang dahilan kung ba't ako nabubuhay sa mundong to, mamahalin sa hirap at sa ginhawa, at ako na may maghihintay habang may hiling at buhay. Pag-ibig ko'y walang iba, lahat sa buhay ko ay siya.